wow your guests the moment they walk into your home? Well, I'm Gracie with WTI, and check out this show-stopping chandelier from Kanweis. I got their 20 light fixture in the black finish and I am completely in love. The sleek stainless steel frame with their high quality K9 crystal spheres just scream luxury and will instantly elevate your space. And the best part is it comes with the warm dimmable G4 bulbs that you need. So installation took us a little bit longer than expected, but only because these lights can hang down over 16 feet in length. But once we got the hang of it, it was fairly easy. All you do to adjust the lights is you just push up on the cable and customize it to your ceiling height or whatever design that you want. So we chose the spiral design look for more of that modern feel. And just look at how beautiful these crystal globes are. They've got a smooth feel with this bubble raindrop design, adding so much warmth and character while giving you that eye-catching appeal, whether the lights are on or off. Plus, I love that they have some weight to them, which helps to put tension on these cords so the cord doesn't look wrinkly. This chandelier is beyond beautiful and will make any space feel grand. And that's my point of view.